Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the multi-column section. The multi-column section allows you to organize content into multiple columns, creating a clean and structured layout. This helps improve navigation, making it easier for customers to explore your store and find information quickly. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the multi-column section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the multi-column section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the multi-column section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for multi-column and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the multi-column section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the multi-column section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Image width controls how much space the image takes inside the column. 1/3 keeps the image smaller for a more text-focused layout. Half balances image and content evenly. Full width makes the image span the entire column for stronger visual impact. Choose an image ratio to control how your column images are displayed throughout the section. Available options include Inherit, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 2:3, and Circle. Next, you can refine how your images are framed using the crop position settings. This allows you to control which part of the image remains visible when cropping is applied. You can choose from Inherit, Top Left, Top Center, Top Right, Middle Left, Middle Center, Middle Right, Bottom Left, Bottom Center, Bottom Right. Number of columns, desktop. Choose between 1 to 6 columns. Fewer columns create a more focused, minimal layout, while more columns allow you to display more content side by side for a richer browsing experience. Column alignment. Set how content is positioned within each column. Left alignment keeps text and elements aligned for a clean, structured look. Center alignment creates a more balanced and visually symmetrical layout. Secondary background. Control background styling for each column. None keeps the default clean layout. Show as column background adds a distinct background to each column, helping separate and highlight content. You can add interactive buttons to guide customers and improve engagement. Enter a button title and text to define your call to action. Add a button link to direct users to a product, collection, or custom page. Choose a button style that complements your store's design. Available styles include Link, Default, Solid, and Outline. Select a button size to control its visual impact and prominence. Available sizes include Inherit, Small, Medium, and Regular. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including None, Curved Grid, Rings, Diamond Grid, Quatrefoils, Hexagons, Intersecting Circles, Brick Wall, Formal Invitation, Jupiter, YYY, Temple, and Lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. For mobile devices, you can optimize how your columns are displayed. Columns on mobile. Choose between 1 or 2 columns. A single column layout ensures readability and vertical scrolling comfort, while 2 columns allow more compact content display when needed. Under Enable slider, you can choose where the columns will be displayed. Both devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select arrow color as either inherit to use your theme's default color or custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the multi-column section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add block and select column. Once the column is added, you can start building your content. Begin by uploading an image to visually represent your column. Inside each column, you can add the following content blocks: description, single button, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your multi-column section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.